Okay, today for my first ever cooking video, we are going to be cooking spaghetti here at the Bangkok Market in Bangkok. Stay tuned, I hope you're hungry. So they asked me to cook spaghetti tonight, so I said, okay, you got it. I'll cook you some delicious spaghetti. But the funny thing though is, when we started for tomato sauce, they handed me a bottle of ketchup, and I was like, oh no, we can't do that. We need to cook it a proper tomato sauce. But at any rate, let's do it. About to whip up some spaghetti with bacon and mushrooms and garlic and pepper. I hope it turns out well. Oh, and beer. All right, we got the spaghetti cooking, we got the bacon cooking, and now let's get the sauce started. Go ahead and throw our garlic in. That's a lot of garlic. Good. Some pepper. In Thailand, not everyone eats beef, so I went with bacon instead, and it was a delicious choice. Okay, and now we are working on the mushrooms. Guess we'll go ahead and just throw them all in there. It's a lot of mushrooms. The spaghetti is cooked. Just waiting on the mushrooms to finish, and then we'll start the sauce. These are my assistants today, Ying. Oh. And there goes Yao. We'll see Yao here in a minute. Oh, and there's Nacha. This was her idea. Her gift to everybody was me cooking spaghetti today, so the pressure's on. All right, we got the sauce underway now. Shouldn't be too long. Let that cook for a minute. Throw the stuff back in there, and bam, we're ready to roll. Just threw a little butter in to make it nice and buttery. Okay, we just added our bacon and mushrooms into the sauce, and we're just about ready to eat. Hope everybody's hungry. Okay, I think we are done. Scooping it up. It's actually, I think, tasting quite delicious. All right here at the Bangkok Market, Buri, Bangkok. Certified 91. Oh, and this is Sister Yao. Hello, Yao. Thank you for your help. Sister Yao adding some cilantro. Nice touch. I like it. All right. Thank you. And let's see how she goes. First one will be for Nacha. Oh, and let's get this cheese opened up. A little bit more. Just a little more. I think that'll work. Let's try that first. Start. Oh, and of course, I guess we'll be eating with chopsticks. Okay, here we go. Here you go, babe.
Thank you.
You first. Hey, that's my beer. We'll take a bite and let us know. With the sauce now, you got to get the bacon in there. We'll try the bacon too, and the mushrooms. All right, we got a thumbs up. That's good to hear. All right, let me give one. Well, I'd say that came out rather well. My first cooking show video. Spaghetti at the Bangkok market. Everyone's loving it. Hey, not bad, huh? Sister, yeah, she approves. All right, dig in, everybody. Give him the wants. Let's give it a try. Oh, it's a video.
Very good.
All right, thank you, sir.
Very good.
Thank you. Thank you. Enjoy. Market's just about closed now. It's almost 9 o'clock. Oh, and another thing worth noting, here in Thailand, they drink the beer with ice. Yeah, I know, it's a strange concept back in America, but I'm not really sure why we don't do it. It keeps the beer cold without the racing. Cheers. Okay, Brother Kang going in. Tell me how good it is. It's a video. All right. All right, another happy customer. Good? All right, another thumbs up. Thank you, sir. Brother Kang approves.
ไม่ผักกินได้ใช่ไหม
ได้อร่อยไม่รู้ผักอะไรกินหมูก็
ผัก
กิน
ที่เขาใส่น้ำพวกนี้นี่แหละแล้วมีแบบน้ำพวก
ก็หอมๆนะ
อืม
แบตเตอรี่ใกล้หมดแล้วแบตเตอรี่
นี่เหมือนมันจะดับกลิ่นคาว
Sister Ying is good. Sap. And thank you very much for your help today. Very good assistant. And an amazing cook herself. Very good cook. Great Thai food. Good? All right. Cheers. All right. Moy approves. Thank you, Moy. Yeah, once again, this is the Bangkok Market, Buri, Bangkok, Saratai 91. Open from 6 o'clock till 9 o'clock, Monday through Sunday. Come say hello. Maybe we'll cook some food, huh?